Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 28th August. ABC yesterday's realized weather, so under the influence of deep depression over Gujarat adjoining Saurashtra Kutch, reported extremely heavy rainfall with heavy to very heavy rainfall at many places over Saurashtra and Kutch, with exceptionally heavy rainfall also reported in the range of more than 40 centimeter, mainly over Devbhoomi, Dwarka and Jamnagar districts of Saurashtra and Kutch, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over Gujarat region. In addition to this, this was the main zone, that is Saurashtra Kutch adjoining Gujarat region, and in other regions including Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada, where heavy to very heavy rainfall also reported. Konkan and Goa, South Central Karnataka, Coastal Karnataka reported heavy rainfall. In eastern parts of the country, Odisha and Jharkhand reported heavy rainfall, and Chhattisgarh and Southeast Uttar Pradesh also reported heavy to very heavy rainfall under the influence of yesterday's low pressure area over the region. And over northwest India, especially western parts of Uttar Pradesh, eastern parts of especially southeast Rajasthan reported heavy rainfall, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand. Over northeast India, heavy to very heavy rainfall reported over the region, and Andaman and Nicobar also reported heavy rainfall. ABC today's synoptic system, so we are having main important synoptic system, that is deep depression over Saurashtra and Kutch, and it is likely to move slowly west southwestwards and likely to reach by the morning of 29th, that is tomorrow morning, over Saurashtra Kutch coast. And this is likely to cause also during next 2 days main weather over Saurashtra and Kutch region. And another important system is cyclonic circulation over southeast Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, and the monsoon trough today is its western and south of its normal position, and eastern and roughly around normal position. So this is the synoptic systems. Under the influence of these synoptic systems, we are having main 4 highlights for next 7 days. So first point is that deep depression, which is lay over Saurashtra and Kutch, likely to move slowly west southwestwards and likely to reach Saurashtra and Kutch coast by 29th of morning, and extremely heavy rainfall very likely to continue over Saurashtra Kutch today and tomorrow, and thereafter rain will decrease over the region. And another second 2 points are that a fresh low pressure area likely to form over North Bay of Bengal adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal, and under the influence of this low pressure area likely to form during the next 24 hours, and this system likely to cause very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over eastern parts of the country, including central parts of the country and north peninsular India, including Odisha, north coastal Andhra Pradesh, south Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha and Telangana on 30th and 31st of August. So these are the highlights. With these highlights, let us review, let us discuss day by day weather warning. So this is a weather map for 28th, that is valid till 08:30 hours IST of today. So accordingly, red color is given to Saurashtra and Kutch, where heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely at a few places, with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated locations, and heavy rainfall over Gujarat region, especially central parts of the Gujarat region, and other regions including northwest India, that is heavy rainfall is expected over Jammu division, Punjab, Haryana, south west Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh region. Over central parts of the country, light to moderate rainfall is expected. Over eastern parts of the country, Jharkhand and Odisha likely to experience heavy rainfall. Over northeast India, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected. Over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely. Over along the west coast, remaining parts of the west coast, the Maharashtra coast, Goa, coastal Karnataka and Kerala likely to experience heavy rainfall, and interior regions including Madhya Maharashtra, interior Karnataka, heavy rainfall also likely. So this is the weather map for 28th. On 29th, the same activity likely to persist and likely to continue over Saurashtra and Kutch under the influence of deep depression, and heavy rainfall is likely over Gujarat region. Otherwise, there is very less chance of any significant rain over Gujarat region from 29th of August. However, yellow color is given for tomorrow, and other locations mainly over northwest India, Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, where heavy rainfall is expected. Over central parts of the country, only Chhattisgarh, where heavy rainfall is expected. Over eastern parts of the country, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over Odisha, and heavy rainfall over coastal Coastal Pradesh. Over remaining parts of South Central India, especially coastal and South Central Karnataka, where heavy to very rainfall is likely. Over Kerala and North Central Karnataka, heavy rainfall is expected. Over Maharashtra region, mainly coastal Karnataka and Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, where heavy rainfall is expected. Andaman and Nicobar likely to experience heavy rainfall on 29th. On 30th, more or less same condition with the possibility of reduction of intensity in rainfall over Saurashtra Kutch. However, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected on 30th of August, and otherwise over Maharashtra, Vidarbha, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, heavy rainfall is expected. But main region on 30th, it is eastern parts of the country adjoining North Peninsular India. So red color is given to Telangana, here extremely heavy rainfall is expected, and orange color is given to Odisha, Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, where heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected under the influence of and movement of the low pressure area towards these regions. And over remaining parts of peninsular India, coastal Karnataka, South Central Karnataka and Kerala also likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall. On 30th of August, Northeast India, mainly Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Andaman Nicobar Islands, where heavy rainfall is expected on 30th of August. On 31st, the intensity of rainfall will decrease significantly over Saurashtra and Kutch. On 31st, only isolated heavy rainfall is likely. Over Maharashtra, coastal regions of Maharashtra and Madhya Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka, interior Karnataka and Kerala, where heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected. But again, main region is of heavy rainfall is likely on 31st of August over this Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha region, where heavy to very heavy rainfall with possibility of extremely heavy rainfall is expected on 31st of August, and heavy rainfall over Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Over Northeast India, heavy rainfall likely to continue on 31st as well. On 1st of August, Central India, including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, where heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely. Over Telangana, heavy to very heavy rainfall. Over coastal Andhra Pradesh, heavy rainfall. Otherwise, over Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Madhya Pradesh region, where heavy rainfall likely on 1st of August. Intensity of rainfall will again increase from 1st of September over Gujarat region, and isolated heavy rainfall over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, eastern parts of Rajasthan and Northeast India on 1st of September. On 2nd of September, heavy rainfall zone mainly concentrated to central parts of the country, mainly Uttar Pradesh, mainly Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha, and adjoining regions of East Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh likely to experience heavy rainfall on 2nd and 3rd of September. So this is weather warning for next 7 days. And regarding fishermen, again this North Arabian Sea and adjoining Gujarat, Saurashtra Kutch, Gujarat coast, where fishermen warning has been issued for next 4 to 5 days, and over some parts of West Central or adjoining areas of South Bay of Bengal, where fishermen warning has been issued during next 5 days. For more detail, you can visit our RSMC website and our Mosam website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in. And for updated information, kindly visit our Facebook, X and Instagram pages for updated information. So this is update for today. We'll update tomorrow. Till then, namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.